So, since I decided that I want to go forward with my campus safety app, I wanted to, on this tour report, explore something that would help me create kind of a PDF version of what I want my app to look like on every screen. So that way, when I go forward with actually creating it, I'll have a good template of what I need to do. So, this is a tool called NinjaMock, which basically gives you the ability to make PDF documents. Um, and it gives you a bunch of different templates. So what I like is that it shows you what it would look like on any device. So I primarily want to have my tool or my app be on an iPhone. So if I go on the iPhone, and something to be said about this is that there's a free version and a paid version. Um, and if you use the free version, you can do everything you can with the paid version. It's just going to have the NinjaMock logo on your PDF documents, giving them credit. But basically, I was doing some exploring, and what you do is you have the template there, and you can add as many pages as you'd like. Uh, and you insert like things on the side here that basically are representative of certain things or features that you'd see on an app or on an iPhone screen. So something that can give you a very real idea of what your app would look like if you went forward with the design. So I thought this was really cool. You can add in the keyboard if you want to show places where you have to type things in. For me, I need maps because mine whole thing is a UGA map, so it has that feature to where I can add it, um, and it just is a really cool tool and gives you the ability to export as a PDF, which I think will be very useful for me going forward.